Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Verasity, which was requested by some of you. So I thought let's make a video on that. It's I have covered Verasity in a couple of analyses. I actually did an analysis on it in the premium group, the new premium group. And there, I mean, in general, Verasity has been very bullish. I think it's a great project. I'm a long-term investor, so I am down, all right, because Verasity used to be way higher. But here you can see, if you take a look at the technical market structure, basically since the 19th of October, when it started up another rally after that bullish news right here, it has been super bullish. Like, it has never broken below the 50 EMA, which is this red line right here, which is usually, if a price bounces off of that and kind of uses that as a guideline to trend up, usually that's very bullish. And well, voila, what happened is that it broke out of this channel, which you can draw in a number of ways. But somewhere down the line right here, 2 days ago on Thursday, it broke above that, dropped down a bit because of that crash, but eventually held it, broke back above it again, and reached the price target right here between 0.87 and 0.9 cents. And that is where we are right now. Price target was reached. The main price target right now is 1 cent. So the big question is can Verasity get there? The short answer is yes, but I do think that it's difficult, all right? And I'll tell you why. First of all, because this level right here is quite strong. It's the 1.618 fib of this move right here, which is, I've seen the 1.618 fib be a reversal level for like quite often. Apart from that, it's a very strong level. Like, it's been respected as well during that rally in February, but also spiked up to this area right here a little bit later in April. So it's technically a strong level. It has some other strong resistance indicators there. So it's going to be tough to break through that. Now, obviously, Verasity right now is still very bullish. There's nothing bearish about Verasity. Maybe that the volume has dropped down a bit, but it's also weekend. I mean, can you blame it? And then I also wanted to take a look at the momentum. I know we're looking at a lot of things right here, but it's necessary. So here you can see the momentum. That's a bit, I wouldn't say weird. It's still growing over the last 24 hours. But it seems to me that there's at least partially some manipulation going on for Verasity. Not that much, all right? It definitely isn't as manipulated. But in this case, I do think that's actually bullish for Verasity. And the main thing I think we need to see is some sort of a bullish breakout. Now, if you take a look at this resistance level right here historically for Verasity, if we can actually scroll back a little bit more, then you'll see that there's multiple levels here. So one of the levels is actually more around 0.82, 0.83 cents. And I think the key is in that level, because it does seem like Verasity has had some sort of a minor bearish breakout right here. So what needs to happen right now is Verasity needs to, first of all, hold its support at around 0.75 cents. That's down here. It needs to hold that. So if it drops down there, that's fine, as long as it holds that. But then it needs to close above 0.83 cents. I think if it's able to do that, it hasn't broken above this major resistance level up here, but I think that bullish confirmation is already enough to see Verasity going up to 1 cent. And I do think this is most likely, which is a bit of a risky thing to say because Bitcoin is at resistance. But overall, Verasity, Verasity is pretty correlated to Bitcoin, unfortunately. But overall, the momentum for Verasity itself at this moment is still so high that I almost have to say this, all right? If for some reason, like if Bitcoin becomes very bearish and Verasity drops down below 0.75 cents, the situation is different, all right? Then the situation is different and I was wrong. And the situation can change into something like this, right? So be careful for that. If you see Bitcoin falling a lot and Verasity also starts testing 0.75 cents, and it doesn't find that much support there, because it should find quite a lot of support there, then this could be in trouble, right? So those are my thoughts. That's my full analysis on Verasity for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. And lastly, to end this video, if you want a little bit more value from me in terms of signals perhaps, or a premium group which will help you become a better trader and a profitable trader, check out the links down in the description. There you can find out more. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.